This is a power bank with so many features, I'm afraid I'm gonna miss one or two of them. So it has a solar panel on the top. This basically gets power into it. You can also plug it into the wall, but you can also, which I've never really seen before, you can pull this crank out, and this crank will basically charge up the battery as well. So very good emergency tool to have. You have all these different cables that are built in. So you have USB-A, 2 USB-Cs, and a lightning. You have a place to charge your wireless charging here. You have a flashlight on the top. So if I hold this, you'll see the flashlight on the top turn on. If I double tap it, I have a light on the side. This is sort of like a lantern. Oh, double click it again, you have 3 different brightnesses. Finally, it's off. You have all your plugs to get power in here and out, so you can also plug in other cables if you want. It's got rubber corners, so this will protect it from if you drop it from breaking. You have a compass, you have a thermostat or a thermometer on the side, and you also have this lanyard that's built in where you can connect this to your pack or whatever you're at to make sure you don't lose it. You also have this power cord that's kind of already built into it, so if you needed this in an emergency, you could untangle this. What did I miss? I definitely feel like I missed something, but so many features. I've used a few of these power banks. 20,000 milliamp battery, which means this will charge your iPhone 4 times. But with the solar panel here and the crank here, if you're in an emergency, that means you probably could charge your iPhone once, but then you could get power into this using the sun. And if I put it right here, I could see that it's lighting up and that it is actually accepting power. So I just leave this actually in my window all the time, and it's just constantly charging. So I always have a topped off power bank. Really neat, awesome emergency kit item to have. And I like that it has all these different features. I'm not sure which feature is my favorite. Let me know what you think.